Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Morningstar in Borderlands 2. This unique Hyperion sniper rifle is a fantastic addition to any Vault Hunter's arsenal. It's not just powerful, it also has a distinct personality, making it a truly memorable weapon to wield. We'll go through each step, from finding the mission to claiming your prize, ensuring you can add this special talking gun to your collection. To begin your quest for the Morningstar, first you'll need to travel to the Highlands. Once there, make your way to the Overlook area. Look for the bounty board, which is where you'll find the mission. The specific mission you're looking for is titled Hyperion Contract 873. Accepting this contract is your first step towards acquiring this unique sniper rifle. Once you've accepted Hyperion Contract 873, your main objective is to defeat 100 bandits. A highly recommended area for this task is Lynchwood, as it's densely populated with these foes, making the process much faster. Simply continue fighting until you've reached the required number of bandit eliminations. There are also optional elemental objectives, but they are not necessary to complete the main quest. After successfully eliminating 100 bandits, head back to the bounty board in Overlook where you initially accepted the mission. Turn in Hyperion Contract 873 to claim your reward. You will then receive the Morningstar, a powerful Hyperion sniper rifle. This weapon not only talks to you, but also offers a stacking critical hit damage bonus, making it a formidable tool in combat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.